So with all these tips, you would finally have students coming to your website. So what's next? The next step is to ensure that your students actually enroll or sign up to your academy. That is, you ensure that you get the email ID of the student. So this way you can actually start building your student base. And later you can use this email IDs to market your paid courses, or in future if you are planning to create another course, this will help you grow your subscriber base and help you sell more courses to these students. So what is one thing that you can do to get the students to enroll to your course? The answer is to offer free courses. So you can create a lot of free courses on specific topics that the student wants to learn. And the second tool that you can use is to give them a free ebook. So a short 20 to 30 page ebook that the student can download and read it whenever they want. Okay. So there is a tool called HelloBar that allows you to get email IDs of students very easily. So what this tool does is, whenever a student tries to say close a website, it will show an exit pop-up where the pop-up will ask the student to get a free ebook and ask them to read it at their convenient time. Here the student will have to give in their email ID and get the ebook. So this is one way you can actually get the student emails and grow your student base. The best part is HelloBar is free, and it's free for up to 2000 visits a month. So this is very good for a starter plan. So this is one suggestion I have to get more student enrollments to your academy. So on Learnyst, one good thing that you have is once a student signs up to a course, you can go to reports, and within the product enrollments, you can get all the details of the student email IDs. Now you can export the email IDs in the form of a CSV file, and later you can use this email for your marketing campaigns. Now the last part in student enrollment or sign up is to use a tool called Facebook Pixels for doing a retargeting campaign. So this works only if you have installed something called as Facebook Pixel in your website. So what this does is, let's say you have run Facebook ads and students have come to your website, and few people have enrolled to your course and few have exited from your website without signing up. So what Facebook targeting allows you to do is, it will show ads to these students who have escaped your website without signing up. So it will constantly remind you about your ads. It will show ads to them about your website and about your course, and that way these students will have, there is a chance that these students come to your website again to enroll or sign up. So I have created a full course on Facebook Pixels and Facebook ads for beginners. You can check that course out. I have explained how to install Facebook Pixel in your website. So this is one suggestion I have to get students to enroll or sign up to your academy.